Hey everyone, so we're jumping right in the video. My skin is already prepped and ready to go, and I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade Sand. Next up, I have my black gel eyeliner, and this one's from MAC. And I'm just going in and filling in my eyebrows because I need them really dark to pop out. So I'm just drawing a little shadow wrinkle over here and then a line around my forehead wherever you normally would contour, but of course we're going a little dramatic with this look. And I did the same thing to the other side. I was being so careful over here because I did not want to mess up my black eyeliner because it would have been a mess to clean up. I just needed a little bit more concealer just underneath the eyes. So I went in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade, I don't even know, I'll list it in the bottom bar. But look at that, it blends in so nicely and you can just tell the difference. Next, I'm going back in with my MAC eyeliner and I'm just carving out my cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Just where contour goes, but of course making it dramatic, so. I'm just outlining my eye like a cut crease so I can fill it in with the color. And I couldn't decide if I should do yellow or pink, so I just did one of each because why not? So I wasn't just feeling all yellow on my lid, so I'm going into my Urban Decay Wired palette in the shade Slow Burn, and I'm just adding it to the outer corners. For my other eye, I picked up this bright pink color from my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and this is volume 1. And I'm just filling that in. And my yellow cream color was from the same palette as well. I went back into my Wired palette and picked up the color Savage, and I'm just packing that on here onto my lid just so it doesn't make a crease. I'm going to use the shade Gravity from the same palette and just pack that onto my outer corner. Just to deepen that purple, I'm going into my Morphe palette and picking up the color Scene and just packing that on and blending it in. Here, I'm going back into my Vard palette and picking up the color Jolt and just packing that onto that yellow just to make it a little brighter. I'm just gonna draw a line underneath my lower lash line with my MAC Gel Eyeliner just to give it an illusion of a new lower lash line. Now I'm just filling that in with a white cream color from my Anastasia lip palette. I'm just drawing some tears over here, and trust me, it was way harder than it looks. Look, I messed up already. And I also drew 3 lashes at the end of my new lower lash line. I picked up the color Chaos from my Vard palette and I'm just filling the tears in. And I don't know why I decided to outline my lips right now, because until I put on some red lipstick, it's gonna look hideous, but that's what's happening here. Next up, I'm taking this red liquid lipstick from Too Faced and I'm just making these red dots on my cheeks and half of my neck. I'm just adding a few more details to collarbone just to make this look a little better. I'm just filling my lips in with the same Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade Lady Balls, and it's gonna look so much better after this. I'm just adding highlights with my white cream color from my Anastasia lip palette just to bring this look all together. Time for lashes, And I'm just using the Sephora collection ones here. A little mascara to finish off this look. What's up everyone? If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.